Banyak ya ke khubor ke batmai sumba kersan dem ya Dharvlog official channel kumta pepa kublai shiku.
We feel that we are going to create trouble. This is a democratic expression of opinion. And you can arrest. No, there is a law that you can arrest person on the preventive detention. You can arrest us if you feel that we are going to create trouble. If you feel that you have sufficient ground to proceed with this Section 144 CRPC, you go ahead. No, you are just doing what the master told you to do. Simply that. We know. So you apply your mind. Your political master will go one day. You will be continued in your service. But don't follow the unlawful order. This is unlawful. The Supreme Court has stated clearly that you cannot invoke Section 144 CRPC just to prevent legitimate expression of opinion and grievances. We are expressing our legitimate grievances where the government has removed those officials from the Lokayukta, an institution which has been brought to contain corruption, to deal with corruption.
Sir, as a respected,
you tell me what is kay katakalan? This is violent. Is this violent? Hey, kita kalau tutup penyidikan. Hey, kita kalau order.
Hari Friday, bawan honorable Home Minister. Kumaketua sir.
You mean to send a message to Delhi that everything is fit and fine in Meghalaya when the state is becoming the poorest state in the northeast? Yes, everything is fine. No. Kamdan chu bari. Tabali pinsuleran. Paling ini ka darab jat ya kata kecenglong Meghalaya.
Hari itu upor, because internet kan itu jam. Idea ru perasaan orang masih connected masih actually belong plenary committee coba ini.
Kadon kabha belong kita. Bagi kita
toleran dengan represent wrong message.
Jadi siapa ni?
Kamdai ka wrong message, kadai right message. They should know the truth. The central leadership should know the truth. Mdai ban sudarab jot repair ki surak tang porwan ke central leadership ka tarong ka igidukan.
Sir, all those issues.
We cannot afford to tolerate this kind of hypocrisy.
Itu issues tak
You
are a representative. You can raise that issue through a personal meeting, through a courtesy meeting with the.
Who are you to explain me how to raise? You think I don't know? Know your limits. Okay. We know. You just do your job. If you are instructed to arrest us, you arrest. If you are instructed to lathi charge us, you do that. Then you will see. And I will see who has the courage to put a first stick on our bodies. Ngingim ko ajing kelumar, kako ajing kelumar ke sorkar. Boleh kako ajing kelumar ke district administration. Dan kami kata, kani kampun wet, kalau bimut banong bahkan kampu ke suk kan kam jai le dengan song nang ni, inum ki nang ni, dia boleh ngim lah bani ay, bani kenduk yo officer pelafu ni ngang ongan dia kenduk, dangal ay kenduk ong tu ngin sekren dan ngin saya rai menu ban song hang ni hang nu ngin song menu bani kenduk, ngim lah ban rai. But we are telling you, we are not going to create problem. We have already mentioned it is going to be a peaceful demonstration. Do you understand peaceful demonstration? Not with this. Yeah, not with guns. Not with covering your faces. We don't have that kind of intention. That if he so artian, he so tikna yung itap there, line up yung check yung way. Dia nak tahu konbi kata ngalak ada keren. Bala lagi government kita, government. Oh, ini inti kita red. Deal in this. And what will happen if we decide something which is more serious?
that won't happen, sir.
Will you be able? Will you be able to handle the situation, or will you ask? Just give order to fire and lathi charge. That is what you are waiting for. We are preparing. Never.
We will not allow. Our future is at stake.
We want to show to the world that as a party, the leaders will take the front lead.